Well, Connor, should I be using paid ads on LinkedIn?
The short answer of that is a little complicated. Literally, I just had a conversation with someone on this the other day. Paid ads, very attractive when it comes to using LinkedIn, but here's the truth. I mean, the challenge with doing paid ads versus organically using LinkedIn, first off, the cost. The cost of paid ads on LinkedIn is challenging, to say the least. Like, it can get really, really damn expensive to run paid advertisements on LinkedIn. Now, here's the other challenges with this, folks, is when it comes to doing LinkedIn ads, I can basically, everything that I can do through paid ads, I can do organically, but even better. And the other challenge with paid ads is consistency. So if I want to get someone engaged with my brand and interested with and generating leads, sometimes those people have to see me show up over and over and over and over again. So here's the thing. I can run paid ads as either banner ads on LinkedIn, in-mail ads on LinkedIn, or what's called newsfeed ads on LinkedIn. Or I can upgrade my account to Sales Navigator, and as a seller, I can directly access every single person on LinkedIn with unfiltered access using Sales Navigator, which is like $79 a month. Can't do that with paid ads. So the other challenge of this is basically when I go to run ads on LinkedIn, I'm campaigning against other people who are also trying to run paid ads. So I'm basically paying to outperform, and I have to pay more to deliver better. Whereas if I'm using LinkedIn organically, I can do it without having to gamble on who I'm reaching and making sure that I am actually reaching them. Another challenge of paid ads. I don't know who I'm getting delivered to half the time. Yes, I can set up criteria. Yes, I can set up filters when I'm doing paid ads. But when I'm, again, using organic methods, I know for sure I'm hitting the CEO of Kraft Foods versus if I'm doing paid ads, I don't know for sure I'm getting in front of that person, okay? So I'm a believer in paid traffic, but when it comes to doing paid advertisements on LinkedIn, it can get really, really difficult, get really, really expensive. It can get really, really untargeted. And I would highly suggest, if you're sitting here and you're watching this video and you're thinking, where do I start? Do I start with paid ads because I know my market's on LinkedIn and I need to make LinkedIn work? Or do I start with organic? I would always recommend start with organic, make organic work, make it profitable, then do paid ads. Because if I'm doing stuff organically and it's not working, and then I go and put paid advertisements behind it, I'm basically pumping money into something that's not scalable. And I'm basically wasting money. I need to get success on one area and then use that success and scale that. That's where people create successful paid advertisement campaigns. Message me direct if you guys need help with this. Anything LinkedIn related, content strategy, putting together your organic strategy on LinkedIn, whether you're a one-person company or you have 5,000 people on your team, we can definitely help you out with this. Message me direct, message Julius direct. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you tag somebody on this video who needs to see this.